What is going on, YouTube? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Jesse's Collection, for sending me this really pretty body wave lace front unit. Now, as y'all seen in the thumbnail and the beginning of the video, it's not a fully 1B colored wig because I dyed it. I got this idea to do this really cute like skunk patch in the front. So I took some hair out and I just put two 40 volume bleach processes on it, and it lifted up all the way to this pretty platinum color. Now, did I actually record this process and make a video? No, I didn't this time, but I do have videos on YouTube of me doing this exact color on another wig. So I will put a coloring video in the comments below so you can check that out if you want to see how I did it. All right, y'all, so I've never collabed with Jesse's Collection yet until today, but one thing I will say is this wig is super soft and full, okay? One thing that I look out for when it comes to these hair companies is how full is this wig? Is it nice and thick? Is it dense, you know? So I can definitely say that this is a quality hair company. But wait, I think I lied to you guys. This is not a lace frontal unit. This is actually a lace closure unit. So yes, you can take it on and off and wear it glueless, even better. So like one thing I'm realizing that's going on in the world and the just industry of beauty and hair and things like that is a lot of girls are still wearing lace fronts, kinda, seemingly, it seems like that. But when I go out in the real world and when I go to events, I see a lot of females with natural hair, with locks, you know, wearing their natural hair the way it is. And I think to myself, wow, you know, not as many women wear wigs and wear frontal wigs as we probably think. And I strongly believe that a lot of women are actually taking the initiative to take care of, grow, and make their natural hair healthy. So I feel like getting a closure wig or having that just in your arsenal is really, it really comes in handy because not only does it not really irritate your hairline as much as a frontal will, you can take it on and off so you can sleep comfortably. Also, for all the women out there that wear weaves maybe 40% of the time, but wear their natural hair like 60% of the time, you know, when you're on vacation and things like that, it's so easy to pop a lace closure wig on without the need of a stylist. So yes, you don't have to be a professional to make it look really good and natural. Now, I'm not just gonna sit here and say that wigs are not a good investment and they're going out of style, because there are many people that appreciate wigs, and wigs are a blessing to so many women. For example, women that don't know how to take care of their hair. Like, let's be real, not all females know how to take care of their hair, okay? Number two is girls that experience hair loss, hair breakage, either from chemicals, from postpartum, from alopecia, like it goes on and on. Now, I'm not gonna front, right? One can arguably say that wigs cause a disconnect between women and their natural beauty, you know, their natural hair. But we have to take into consideration all the women that don't have hair, not because they messed it up, but because it wasn't even their choice, okay? Once again, alopecia, trichotillomania. Trichotillomania is actually a nervous disorder where you are like subject to pulling out your own hair, pulling out your own eyebrows, and pulling out your own lashes. These are nervous conditions that women cannot even control, y'all. So when some judgmental people here and there be talking about, oh, she wears wigs, she wears makeup, she don't love herself, she hates herself, blah, 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 blah. Just remember that there are a lot of women in this world that don't have hair, not because they messed it up or it was their choice, but because they couldn't even control it. So yes, that was my little rant on wigs. I honestly didn't even expect myself to go in on this topic like that, but as I started the video and as I started talking, it just flowed out. All right, so let's take a look at this hairstyle. All right, so my model, which is actually one of my sister's best friends, hey Nibia, what's good, girl? Hey. So she told me that she did not want the wig glued on because she likes to go to sleep and take off her wig so she can sleep in comfort, you know what I'm saying? So we did not add no glue this time. And when y'all see me curl the hair with the barrel curler and kind of like pull the hair out, you can see the wig doesn't even lift up that much. Now, don't get me wrong. If somebody is playing too much and put your wig back, or if you get in a fight, your wig is coming right off. Like, period. But the wig has drawstrings and combs on the inside that'll keep it secure and keep it nice and snug on your head. So you can actually go around all day without it pulling back or without you feeling insecure about it being pulled off. But now let's say you're going on vacation and you're about to have a lot of people around you. You're about to be in water, maybe going on ATVs or something active like that. And you don't even want a chance of your wig falling off. Then you can always take a thread and needle and do tacks in the wig. So basically you'll pull the wig up, find like spots in your wig where you can feel a braid underneath, stick the needle through and do like a couple tight knots. That wig ain't going nowhere. All right, so today we're doing a loose, curly, bouncy, hairstyle that has a lot of movement and flow to it. So of course we're using our 1.5 inch barrel curlers. I'm also using the Got To Be glue. Is it Got To Be glue? Is Got To Be glue the brand or is it Got To Be? I don't know. But I'm using the Got To Be holding spray to hold these curls. Also, I'm pin curling all the curls until they cool off so that when I take them out the pins, they're nice and bouncy. Now, curls stay a lot longer and they're way more bouncier when you pin them up until they cool off. And also, as you can see, I'm taking the curlers and curling the hair away from the face. So the hair is going backwards, right? And we get that Farrah Fawcett, that windy, big body look when we do the curls that way. Another thing that always helps with bounciness and movement and just prettiness in general is layers. So every time a client asks me for this type of look with the barrel curls, I always ask them if they want layers because that's pretty much the best way to do it in my opinion. All right, let's start taking these curls down and seeing what we got here. So after we let all the curls down, I'm going to take my comb, my hand, maybe a brush, more holding spray, or whatever I need to sculpt the style to look exactly how I want. And this patch though, okay, is looking cute. All right, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I am, but I want the curls to be even more softer and more loose. So I'm going to take my comb and comb the bottom out a little bit more. But be careful if you're doing this at home. You don't want to comb out all the curls, you know? You still want to keep a little bit of curl and spray it before you just let it fall. Y'all see me going back for round 2, round 3, round 4, because I'm telling y'all, I will not stop spraying, combing, fluffing, do whatever I gotta do to make this style look perfect. Okay, look at you, girl. I see you. So this is the final result and I love it. You already know I love it. And she loves it too because you told me. Okay, period. Once again, thank you so much, Jessie Collection, for sponsoring this video with this beautiful wide lace closure unit that you can install with glue or without glue, all right? So if you want this exact wig, I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.